Hi, I'm Tammy. So today I'm going to do a rum sunset. Y'all have heard of tequila sunsets. This is a rum sunset. Same thing, but with rum. So we're going to put a couple of sugars of rum. All right, guys, and just so you know, I filled those to 1.5, so that's actually 3 ounces of alcohol because I'm kind of boozy like that. Then just fill the rest of that up with orange juice. Now we're going to take some grenadine, and we're going to just let that fall to the bottom so it looks pretty. We're going to garnish this off. Uh-oh, casualty. Can't have that. I gotta fix it because I like my cherry. I don't think that sounded right. Okay, so anyway, garnish that off with pineapple, some dirty cherries, and a part of a key lime. Let's stick that in there like so. Now we get to taste it, the best part. All right, it's time to taste. Okay, I'm not environmentally friendly. I have to use a straw. So excited. It's a bendy straw too. I like bendy straws. Okay. I almost stopped now. I didn't want to stop drinking, sorry. It's super good, okay? This drink is fantastic. Yeah, it's super good. It's really good. You're going to want to drink it. It's great. Super refreshing. It's not too sweet. You think it might be sweet because of the grenadine, but it's not. That's really good. Thanks for watching. Cheers.